We're out here setting trusses today. Only got a couple more to set. They're actually setting a beam now, about to set a beam. And then they can come up to the front setting the rest of the trusses. Just got a couple more to set and that's it. The final one. I wasn't paying attention. These guys are sitting quick. They're setting the final one. It already has the smaller trusses attached to it that come out on the front to finish the roof. These trusses are flat on top because most of the fourth floor up there is a deck. But I'll go up there in a minute where you can see better and get some views of the trusses. Alright guys, we are up on the 3rd floor. I just came up the stairs. This floor looks a lot different from the way y'all saw it the other day. This right here where the stairs will continue up to go to the 4th floor. So here's all the trusses they set today. Well, the last 2 hours, all the trusses they set. Anyhow, this is a hallway. Walk down, goes this way. Got bedrooms on both sides. Come up here. This is the master bedroom over here. This is the bathroom, that's the bedroom. Anyhow, show you the view of the beach today. Ain't as pretty with all this rain coming in, but it's still pretty to look at. The waves are breaking way out of the 2nd sandbar. That's when you know they're kicked up pretty good. Anyhow, we got these set. That's some little trusses I was telling you about. They already had nailed on. They stick out the front. Starting to come together. Now they can get the bracing on these trusses, get the Advantech up here. Well, actually no, take that back. Get the braces up. Then we have to scab on boards on top of these trusses that'll go from basically 6 inches down to 2 inches from the middle out each way to give our deck fall. So when it rains, it'll go through the deck, hit the bottom where it's sloped, and drain off the end onto the little roof right here and go on down. We got to put those in first, then we deck it. Then once it's all decked, we can finish building out the 4th floor. All that gets completely 100% waterproofed. All that deck will, because it's above living space. But it's coming together. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Hey, daddy boy. Hey. Hey, daddy boy. Come visit us for lunch today? Had some visitors for lunch today. Say hey, babe. Alright guys, we are on job number 2. I'm up on the 4th floor. Here's the money shot. I don't know if this camera is picking it up, but I can see way down there on Panama City Beach. I mean, way down there, the big condos all sticking up. But look at this panoramic Gulf view right here. It goes all the way around. And you can see all the way down the Gulf that way down the beach. I can see buildings way down the beach. I can guarantee you that's Santa Rosa way down there at least. But you can also actually see our other job going on right there. The red, the plywood, that's job number 1. 1 street back. But this is the money shot. Wow, man, that's beautiful. Really, really cool. Really cool. And there's always a breeze up here, always. Summertime, whatever time of year it is, there's always a sea breeze coming off the Gulf. So up here, even in the blazing heat of summer, when it's 110-degree heat index out here, you're always going to have a cool breeze coming off the water, because the water doesn't get that hot. The hottest the water gets might be 85 or 90, somewhere in there maybe. So You always have a cool breeze, what it feels like coming off the Gulf, because it's 15 degrees cooler than the air at the time. We're going to do a tongue and groove 1x6 up here. And this will be exposed. All this will be exposed on the 4th floor up here.